Simrex X300C Mini Drone. Phone direct control with transmission or transmitter control with smartphone. Apple iOS, Android phones compatible. Headless security mode. When eyes can't identify the orientation of the drone, the headless mode can help to control it easier and prevent losing the direction. Range, about 30 to 45 meters. Flight time, about 8 to 10 minutes. Charging time, about 60 minutes. Note, the battery of the drone could only be charged with the original charging cable. Foldable design, bring it anywhere, saves the space and easy to carry. Propeller protection. The drone is designed with a propeller protection ring, which greatly protects the aircraft from being damaged to a certain extent and extends its service life. Powerful air pressure altitude hold function. You can release the throttle stick and the drone will keep the current height. Simrex DualSense control, mobile phone and remote. Enjoy high-quality real-time images through app. Professional camera with 110 degrees wide-angle FPV camera, recording every wonderful moment. Mixi Wi-Fi FPV drones with camera for adults. Foldable RC quadcopter drone with 1080p HD camera, altitude hold, gravity control, follow mode, headless mode, one key takeoff, landing. New interactive drone. The drone incorporates new flight technologies and features. Gesture shooting makes selfies easier. With Follow Me mode, the drone will follow you all the time, without your control and giving you new flight experience. Upgraded drones with camera. The drone with 1080p HD camera and optical altitude hold function. You can take clear photos, videos at high altitudes without any flying vibrations. At the same time, you can process your photos into various styles and beauty effects just like shooting with your mobile phone. Better flight fun. The drone can do stunts like 360 degrees flip and trajectory flight. Draw a flight course on your app interface, and the drone will fly following the path. At the same time, there are also a lot of features waiting for you to experience. Dual cameras. The drone is equipped with 2 HD Wi-Fi cameras. Real-time FPV. The FPV Live feature can record everything you shoot. Gesture shooting. You can instruct the drone to take photos, videos through your different gestures. Follow Me mode. Make the drone always follow your steps and point the camera to you to catch your every move and take aerial photos, videos. DJI Mavic Mini Combo. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone in the United States and Canada. You can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer fly cams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. Compact and portable, almost as light as a smartphone weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, which in many countries may exempt it from certain regulations. Fast, easy to use. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. DJI Mavic Air Quadcopter. A marvel of engineering and design, Mavic Air was built to go wherever adventure takes you. Inheriting the best of the Mavic series, this ultra-portable and foldable drone features high-end flight performance and functionality for limitless exploration. 3-axis gimbal camera. The Mavic Air is the most portable DJI drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, with its angular vibration range reduced to 0.005 degrees. Set in a triangular formation, gimbal dampeners help create even steadier shots. 32MP sphere panoramas. In addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180 degrees panoramas, the Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create crystal clear 32MP sphere panoramas. Point 1. View them from an immersive perspective with DJI goggles. 4K 100 megabits per second video. The Mavic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 FPS, recording at 100 megabits per second to capture every second with UHD quality. Slow motion video with support for recording 1080p 120 FPS slow motion video. The Mavic Air captures all your epic high-speed adventures. Geometric elegance. Expressing geometric precision, the Mavic Air's arms fold flush against its aerodynamic chassis. Magnesium alloy brackets reinforce the 7 onboard cameras, rear vents dissipate heat efficiently, and the primary gimbal camera is recessed for better protection. Foldable remote controller. The dedicated remote controller uses a foldable, low-profile, ergonomic design to hold your smartphone for maximum convenience. Detachable control sticks store inside the remote controller to pack more comfortably on the go. Quick shots. Choose from 6 different quick shots: rocket, droney, circle, helix, asteroid, and boomerang. All are just a tap away and will get you those epic selfie drone videos without needing to think about composing your shot. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 camera drone lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. Functions include Active Track 2.0, Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, Hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Flight safety. Powerful, yet safe. Mavic 2 was designed to optimize propulsion, lower power consumption, and reduce noise. These subtle yet powerful improvements, along with an improved flight autonomy system, offer a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion and safety.